Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with Edge, our pre-market report. Let's start with important news update. Hindalco profit jumped 75%, revenues up 17%, but margin was below estimates. IPCA net profit jumped 38% to 248 crores, revenues up 9%. Stock was up 7% yesterday. United Breweries PAT down 55%, revenue rises 6.5%, and margin is down to 7.1% from 8%. Deepak Nitrite net profit falls 51%, revenues down 5.3%, and margin was at 8.9 versus 15.2%. SJVN profit up 7%, revenues up 23.5%. Numbers were better than estimate from all fronts. Nazara Tech net profit rises 21%, revenue up 67%, and margin at 6.9% versus 11% estimate. Manapuram net profit drops 51%, revenues up 10%. GPPL profit down 14%, revenues down 2.4%. Honasa Consumer multiple upgrades by IFL Securities, Kotak Securities. Tech stock was doing good in last two sessions. SBI Cards, there is big upgrade by Macquarie. Target is at 1000. So what important numbers going to be declared today? Motherson International, RVNL, Glenmark, Glaxo Pharma, Aditya Birla Fashion, Narayana Hridayalaya, PTC, Swan Energy, GNFC. Yeah, these are some important numbers. Purvankara, Dilip Bilkon. No major frontline stock number today. Let's focus on what data is telling. Now, if you look at OI data front, today there was an expiry. We have seen some sharp dip in second half. Now fresh OI building higher on call side. Put writers are little cautious. Put built up is more around below 22,800. Call writing is starting on 23,100 to 23,400. So this indicates little bias on downside. Open OI, if you see, major OI is around 22,500 and on call side 23,200. But this is first week of new expiry, first day of new expiry, so we let wait for data to build up. So on OI front, a long built up seen in Muthoot Finance and SBI Cards. Short built up in KEI and PI Industries. If you look at chart of Muthoot Finance and SBI Card also, there is some breakout on upside. Nifty, yesterday's high, if you look at, this was exactly at this level. So this breakdown is still providing a stiff resistance to Nifty. Still we are in range. Today SGX Nifty, we expect some gap opening, and with a hope to sustain the gap. There is possibility this recovery this week again we could try the testing the top level. Now because double bottom is already formed, till we don't break this, there is possibility we should remain in the range of this 1000-point range. So what we expect from intraday perspective, strong above level is 23,124 and above. Above this we can expect a target of 23,225 and 23,341. Now this is the level, old resistance level, now providing stiff market को ऊपर जाने नहीं दे रहा है. So जब तक ये level cross नहीं होता, we still risk pertains of the downside move. Week below level is 22,981, below which 22,853 and 22,710 are the targets. Bank Nifty 50,000 level is very important level, because this was the zone below which we broke down, made double bottom. Now double bottom का breakout भी आ चुका था, but sustain नहीं हो पाया. So again same level is providing the resistance. Now till Nifty doesn't cross 50,000 level, risk of downside will remain. A strong above level would be 49,565, above which target of 49,825 and 50,068 could be achieved. And week below level is 49,233, below which 48,925 and 48,715 are the targets. Now, if we assume yesterday's move to be expiry related, and today SGX Nifty showing almost 70 to 80 point gap up, and if that this gap up sustain, still this level need to be crossed. Okay. Now if we look at the pattern form, it could be a cup and handle if it is formed. So we are looking at the possible cup and handle breakout if we cross this level. Thank you so much. That's for today. See you tomorrow. And if you want to attend how to read OI webinar, seminar, messages, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया है फॉर गूगल फॉर्म, आप वो फिल कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू टुमारो.